Hey guys, it's Bryce. I'm doing a quick video. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the Joy-Con drift if you have a Nintendo Switch. With no tools required. So you don't even got to send it to Nintendo to get it fixed for free. All you need is some alcohol and maybe 2 or 1 Q-tip. The original source came from Nintendo. Link will be in the description below. But let's get started. So basically the Joy-Con drift is caused by not a mechanical failure, but dirt and grime underneath. So what you want to do, hold on, you get yourself a Q-tip, you get you some alcohol, okay, you got me some alcohol. Now what you want to do, you want to hold this that way, right, and then you want to get the Q-tip, and make sure you get really good in there. Okay. So you just get the alcohol, you hold it this way, and then you do your thing. Get all dirt and grime out of there. Now you want to do the exact same thing with the red controller. Okay. Now let me test it out with some gameplay. No, wait, you need to wait, let it dry for 5 minutes, and yeah. Okay, so I tried playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and it still flickered. So there's 2 options if it's still going on. You want to get on the left side of the joystick, and also you want to calibrate it. If you don't know how to calibrate, you just go to your settings, go to controls and system. You want to go to calibrate control sticks. I'm going to press down on this one. And then it's drifting. Now we're going to recalibrate. Move the stick forward. Release. 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 Hold on. Up. Release. Calibration complete. Now let me test it out one more time on Smash Bros. Nope. No Joy-Con drift. Up. So the other solution, get your Q-tip again, or maybe get a fresh new Q-tip, put some alcohol in there, some more. After you get the alcohol, you want to do the left side of the joystick, and you want to make sure you get all up in there. Especially on the left side. I don't know if this works on a Switch Lite, if you have a Switch Lite, but it should. Okay? Let it dry for about 3 minutes, and that should do the trick. So that's how you fix the Joy-Con drift without any tools required or sending it to Nintendo for free. So there you go. The original source is in the YouTube channel Nintendo. Link will be in the description below. There you go.